So here we have is a high performance DOWOX impact wrench. It has a brushless motor and it has compact size. It is a high torque impact wrench. It has 2 speed settings and auto shut off. This is everything it comes with. This is the user manual. This is the impact itself. It is 1.5. It comes with 3 sockets. It has a 20 volt 4.0 Li-ion battery. It comes with a fast charging charger for the battery. It takes up to 2 hours of fast charging if you want it to have full battery. It also comes with a flashlight.